Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing my first week of school, week of my life of college. I'm a senior, so it's my very last first week of college. I keep saying this, but yikes. I've actually already had one day of school already on Thursday. I did a whole vlog of that, but I haven't had this class yet because I have Monday, Wednesday classes. I also have Tuesday, Thursday. Just being a senior, there's less classes available for your specific majors, but I worked out. I looked like an egg today. I don't mind. I don't know why I'm talking in that voice. My class starts at 12 and it's 10:08 right now, and there's always a lot of traffic on the first couple of days, so you kind of have to leave like an hour or more early. I thought I'd show you guys my outfit. I'm still like rearranging my room and I don't want to keep that there. I think that I want to put it here and move those there. If you guys don't know, I just moved into my apartment. Sneak peek of her. She's not done. She's still a work in progress, but here's my outfit. This top is from Amazon. These like boxier things are like super trendy. I kind of like tucked it in, made it a little loose. All of these necklaces right here are all from different Etsy stores. My earrings, my rings are from Amazon. Apple Watch. This is like my scrunchie band. It's like low-key dirty, but Amazon. And then my jeans are from Abercrombie. I might have a heat stroke in these jeans. I live in Arizona. It's like 100 and something outside, but oh well. What are you gonna do about it? I'm kind of hungry right now, so I might eat breakfast, but I'm just gonna check things off my to-do list. This is my weekly to-do list. I'll link it down below. It's so great for like planning out your week. And then like today, I don't really have too many things to do. If I had a lot of things to do, I transferred over to my daily and put all the extra things, but since I don't, I didn't do any of that. I'm gonna go downstairs and make breakfast. Walking down the stairs. Oh, almost tripped. Toasting my bagel. Now I'm gonna do my dishes.
I'll admit that we were just a little toxic, babe. I drove you mad till we crashed, then we lost our way. Gave it chance after chance, but it ain't the same. We managed to damage everything. You got me good. Retracted, fell back in. You were quick to make a move.
Just got back from campus. I'm starving, so I'm about to make some lunch. I literally don't even know if I have the ability to like talk to the camera right now and not eat. Like I told you guys last time on the first day of school, the bus was like an hour late, so I went an hour early today and the bus was on time. So I got to school an hour early. So I just went to the MU and I was like, okay, I'll work on something for my online class. I sat down and like there was only one table open and there was like a few chairs, so I asked this guy if I could sit at his table and he was like, yeah. And then he kept talking to me and like I was obviously very polite, but he was not getting the hint that I was trying to work on something. And so that was really frustrating. And then I had a class and this professor's syllabus made him seem like he was going to be such a jerk, like so strict, surprise pop quiz kind of guy. He was so cool, so nice. So far I've liked all my professors. This was the last class at like my first day of school, so I've already had all my professors. They all seem really nice. I think the older you get, the better like your professors are. And then the class was over and then I was waiting for the bus, and then I actually ended up waiting a really long time, and there was this guy at the bus stop who kept trying to talk to me as well. Everyone's trying to talk to me today, and like I'm polite, I responded, but the guy on the bus stop was like asking me like really like kind of invasive questions, like kind of like uncomfy. He would ask me things and I'd be like, guess. Because I was like not about to tell him. He was asking me the unit number of where I live, and I was like, oh, I don't remember it. Of course I remember it. I was not about to tell him where. Like he was just asking me really invasive questions, and I was like, no, I'm not here for this. I'm about to make some lunch. This does not look good, but a chicken teriyaki stir fry with some rice, some veggies. I'm watching Tara's YouTube video. I think I'm gonna finish that while I eat and then get to work. Back in my bedroom. I thought I'd do some work on my bed. I did some YouTube work, like emails I caught up with, and now I need to do this assignment, and I really don't want to. This is my only online class. It's probably my last online class that I'll ever take, ever, for the rest of my life. This professor is expecting a lot out of us. I'm gonna do the work. I really don't want to.
Consequences of your action. Acting nonchalant like it ain't never happened. Put her in no passenger, you got her fastened.
I just did this, and then you have to respond to people's discussion posts, and I posted it because it doesn't let you see who posted it until you've already posted it. I hope that makes sense. I was the first person to post it. I'm embarrassed. So now I have to come back later to respond to people. I don't want to do that, but oh well. Added it to the to-do list. I need to take a sponsored post, so that is what's gonna go on right now. I mean, it's the first week of school. I don't have too much to do. This is how I take photos by myself. I use Lens Buddy and then this like super cheap cheap tripod that I need to really find a better quality one. If anyone has like a sturdy phone tripod, hit me up. Fun fact, when I first started YouTube, phone tripods were not a thing, and I filmed my very first videos on my iPhone 5. I like literally DIY'd a phone tripod. I like got Velcro and like this like metal thing. It was a whole thing. I DIY'd my own fine. Why can't I talk? Tripod. Oh.
So it's not right for you to hit my line on the...
I changed in some warmer clothes because it's kind of cold in my room, but I just fulfilled some orders for the to-do list. I shipped out a ton this morning after I worked out. I had a few that I needed to fulfill that came like after I went to the gym. I'm just gonna go drop those off at the post office, and then I'm trying to think of what else I want to do. I'm like, I have some free time. Yay for the first week of school not having much to do. Woo! Party! No, I'm kidding. I'm in Whole Foods. I realized I forgot my mask, but I was at the post office. I dropped it off, got harassed by some people outside the post office. Fantastic. Not wanting all this male attention that I've been getting recently, but I dropped off some returns for Amazon, and now I'm just walking around Whole Foods because that's where you can return Amazon packages for free, and getting some inspiration for some meals. I got no inspiration at all. More of a Trader Joe's girl myself. I just did a ton of work stuff, and now I'm laying down watching Friends.
'Cause you're out of sight and out of my mind. 'Cause I don't know why you do you. Wish you were the best, wish you knew. You hate stupid, but I was...
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday. Last night I went grocery shopping after I watched The Bachelor at my friend's because I was hungry all day yesterday, so I was like, I need some food. This is my outfit. I'm kind of on a streak of will I have a heat stroke, but these linen pants, love them. I don't even remember where they're from. Maybe Abercrombie. This is from Abercrombie. I don't know if like this is too Scandi for school, but I don't think it is. And my necklaces, I'm gonna put on, I think my snake earrings from Princess Polly, and then some rings. I'm gonna leave in about an hour for school. My roommate is driving us today because we both have classes like starting at the same time, so she's nice enough to drive me. Love you. I also got a super cute pair of shoes. These are from Target. They didn't have my size in store, so I ordered them online. So cute, like little heel. I'm probably gonna wear them today. I'll link them down below for you guys. They don't sell them in stores, I guess, but like they were in stores when I saw them, and then they stopped selling them in stores. I don't know. I'm gonna start checking things off my to-do list. I finally got the pictures for my frames in the mail today. Today I had 2 classes, and let me tell you about one of the classes. If you guys don't know this about me, I'm a pretty shy person. Like I never participate in class because I'm just so shy. My heart will like blah, blah, blah. Full body shake, my voice shakes. I just hate public speaking. I hate participating in class. And so I was in this class and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna participate. I participated, and the professor misunderstood what I was saying, and she was like, duh, like she kind of like made me feel stupid. So I will never be doing that again. I will never be participating ever again for the rest of my life. I have this picture that Lauren photoshopped. She's hilarious, of us meeting Taylor Swift. Happy Wednesday. Yesterday I had like a full-on like panic attack because I had so much going on, like work stuff. But I'm making breakfast right now. Egg bites in muffin tins, and then I put chopped up onion, bell pepper, mushroom, and then spinach. They're so good. I eat them with like hot sauce. So good. I just make them, bake them in the oven, put them in the fridge, and then I just heat them up in the microwave for 30 seconds. So good. I literally use buffalo sauce to dip these. I know that's like not probably what you should do, but I've been like on a buffalo sauce kick recently. I have a class that we have to watch a video before the class, and then I actually need to transfer my notes from here to here because I wrote it in the wrong notebook by accident. I'm gonna transfer these notes, watch the video, take some notes on the video, and then it'll probably be time to go to class after that.
Should've known that you're the type to try and play me, babe. Fool me once, you fool me twice, that was my mistake. Left the track, I know I should've stayed in my...
That was actually super interesting. I love being older now that I'm taking classes that are things that I actually want to learn about. You guys remember, I feel like I hit like such like a wall, especially my sophomore and junior year, because I was just taking all like the required classes, and I get like a rounded education rule. I was bored, and now I'm taking only classes that somewhat interest me, so it's better. This is today's outfit. Super simple, super cute. I saw this girl on TikTok who I love. She makes these videos where she finds these like Pinterest boards of people like, I'll wear this when I'm skinny, and then she she wears it in the body type that she currently has, which is beautiful. And she did this outfit and I saw it and I was like, I love it. And now that it's on me, I don't know. It's kind of like one of those things where it's like, I like it when other people do it, not me. But I'm like, whatever. After class, I'm gonna hang out around campus for a little bit. I have a friend that we're gonna like hang out and get coffee and like catch up and like do work together. She has a class after the one of mine, basically, so I'm just gonna like sit in the library and like get some work done. I'm very excited. I don't think I've shown you guys my friend yet. I literally love her to death, so I'm so excited to like show you guys our friendship bestie vibes.
Everything you got me good.
Hello, welcome back to my channel.
You were quick to make a move. Never fear the consequences of your action. Acting nonchalant like it ain't never happened. Put her in no passenger, you got her fast.
I had the best time getting coffee and just like working and catching up with my friend Tori. But I got this package in the mail. This guy, I don't know what it is. It says it's from Amazon, so I'm like, I guess I ordered it. What are you? Oh, it's huge. I ordered a fan. Get out of there. I thought this was gonna be tiny. I got a fan. Ta-da. I'm about to go out now that I'm 21. I'm like, is this gonna be a normal thing? But I really didn't want to get ready, so I don't know if this is like too casual. Obviously, I'm gonna change my outfit, but like, I literally just put like concealer here, brows, mascara, bronzer. I don't know if the claw clip is like it, but I just don't want to straighten my hair because it's like creasy. It's my first time getting ready all week and it's 8 p.m. This is the outfit I'm wearing. Abercrombie, Forever 21, earrings, Amazon. I feel like when I look at myself in this mirror, I'm like, hoo. I look at myself in this mirror, I'm like, I look at myself in this mirror and I'm like, whoa. Happy Thursday. Today's my last day of classes. Woo! I'm so excited to have Friday off. I just feel like the first week of school is always like so exhausting because you're not used to it. So I can't wait. I really wanted to wear a hat today. It was just calling my name.
Now, this hurts relationships. So I had a boss. He was the chief operating officer. You'll hear me mention him many times. He came in.
So it's not right for you to hit my line on the late night.
I'm exhausted. The heat, it was like 113 out today, probably even more. It just drains you. And I had so much to eat that now I'm like, the shoes that I ordered earlier this week came. I'm not like obsessed with them. I feel like they kind of remind me of like, especially the laces, like a dorky like 12-year-old boy. I don't know why I'm getting that vibe. I just want to lay down and relax. All I want to do. I'm just so exhausted.
Fine, 'cause you're out of sight and out of my mind. 'Cause I do me while you do you. Wish you were the best, wish you
Good morning. I can't believe it's Friday. I wanted to wear this dress from Princess Polly so bad, so here I am just like wearing it on a casual Friday. I'm about to go, I really wanted to go thrifting today. I haven't been in like years, honestly. I just wanted to go shopping. I've been like recently forming a new shopping addiction, which is not good, but I'm like, if I thrift, it's more sustainable, it's cheaper, you know? I'm so upset. I ordered these picture frames. They got in the mail yesterday, and then I didn't realize this. I was setting them down, and then this morning I woke up. This one has a giant crack in it. Like, do you see how big that is? I'm like annoyed that I didn't see it earlier, but now I need to return them, which I really don't want to do because they're quite heavy, and then I need to go to IKEA to buy new ones. I honestly might return them another day because I'm feeling like a little lazy right now. I know you wouldn't think that they're heavy, but they're actually really heavy, and like bringing them up and down the stairs was annoying. I've been to 2 Goodwills. I definitely think I prefer the second one that I went to, but I think that I want to go to the mall now, like the bigger mall near me. I got 4 things all together. I think that I'm gonna go to the mall just to see if like any of the other things that I want are there.